Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the course book in that poem 7 Eating Words. Some creatures eat only plants and vegetables, others eat only meat, and some eat both. Do you know what each of these types of eaters is called? Read this poem and find out. So, this is the poem about the eating habits of animal. The poet has make us out the definitions of insectivores, carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. Okay. When you know that os means eat, you will know that insectivores feed on grasshoppers, moths and butterflies, mosquitoes, bees and plain old flies. So, the poet says that if you know the meaning of or is eat, then we can know that insectivores eat insects like grasshoppers, moths, butterflies, mosquitoes, bees and old flies. Okay. Next, when you know that carne means meat, you will know that carnivores eat snakes and lizards, deer and lamb, carrion, birds, fish and clams. So, the poet says that if you know the meaning of carne is meat, carne means meat, carne means meat, then we can know that carnivores eat flesh of other animals. Okay, like lizards, deer, lambs, snakes, fish, birds, etc. Understood? So, carrion means rotting flesh of dead animals. Okay. Clams means a type of shellfish that can be eaten. That is clams. Okay. Next, when you know that herb means plant, you will know that herbivores can't eat anything that moves on a foot, just foods that spring up from a root. So, the poet says that if we know the meaning of herb means plant, herb means plant, then we can know that herbivores cannot eat any other animals. Rather, they eat plants which spring up from a root. Okay. So, moves on a foot. They can't eat anything that moves on a foot means they can't eat animals. Okay. Next, when you know that omni means all, you will know that omnivores call everything they can suck or chew, sometimes even me or you, food. When you know, the poet here defines the omnivores. What is omnivores? So she says that if you know that omni means all, okay, then we can understand that omnivores eat everything that is plant or animal. Anything they can eat, okay, they can suck or chew their food, okay, that is omnivores. Okay. So here sometimes even me or you means even human beings also they can eat. That is omnivores. Understood? This is about eating words. Tomorrow we will see the book back exercise of this poem. Okay. Thank you.